what's happening, YouTube peeps? Bitcoin has been on an unbelievable ride, and now institutional investors and other countries around the world are turning to cryptocurrency as a way to get paid. 5 years ago, it was more speculative. At this point in time, we're seeing cryptocurrency become a more respected and a more used vessel to exchange services, which is why it's time for you all to get involved. But instead of Bitcoin, I want you guys to take a look at Ethereum, and I'm going to break it down why. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so when I drop videos, you all get them. If you want to contact me, the easiest way to get up with me is through Instagram. DM me and let's wrap it up. For those of you that don't even understand how it all works in terms of blockchain technology, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I've got 2 videos that really broke it down for me and made me understand it. I'm gonna let you guys watch that, then we're gonna come back and break it down and explain why Ethereum should be your play versus Bitcoin.
Although commonly associated with Bitcoin, blockchain technology has many other applications that go beyond digital currencies. In fact, Bitcoin is only one of several hundred applications that use blockchain technology today. Until relatively recently, building blockchain applications required a background in coding, cryptography, and mathematics, as well as significant time and resources. But now, previously unimagined applications are being developed and deployed faster than ever. Ethereum is making this possible by providing developers the tools to build decentralized applications. At its simplest, Ethereum is an open software platform based on blockchain technology that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. Is Ethereum similar to Bitcoin? Sort of, but not really. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum is a distributed public blockchain network. Although there are some significant technical differences between the two, the most important distinction is that Bitcoin and Ethereum differ in purpose and capability. Bitcoin offers a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that enables online payments. Ethereum focuses on running code for any decentralized application that's deployed on its network. On the Ethereum blockchain, Ether is the cryptocurrency that fuels the network. Ether is a currency like Bitcoin, but it's also used by people on the network to pay for code execution. So what kind of code is being executed? A smart contract is a phrase used to describe an Ethereum application that can facilitate the exchange of money, content, property, shares, or anything of value. Users send Ether to interact with these self-operating computer programs, and they will run exactly as coded without any possibility of censorship, downtime, fraud, or interference. Ethereum allows developers to create whatever interactive operations they want in their smart contracts. This means that developers can build thousands of different applications that go beyond anything built on a blockchain before. For example, the MLB has released Crypto Baseball, an online collectible store built on Ethereum. Users can buy and sell unique collectibles using Ether, as well as earn rewards based on their real-world performance. Because this application is built on Ethereum, users are able to truly own their collectibles, just like they would in real life. Rather than building an entirely original blockchain for each new application, Ethereum enables the development of thousands of different applications all on one blockchain platform. A simple way to look at it is that Bitcoin is an app. It exchanges money in a decentralized way, and that's amazing. Ethereum, on the other hand, isn't just an app. It's more like an app store. It's a computing platform that allows developers to create any application they want on one decentralized platform. In doing so, Ethereum has removed much of the barrier to entry in creating decentralized blockchain applications. While it's still in its early days, Ethereum looks to be a truly transformational platform. With many of the most exciting applications yet to be developed, we can only begin to wonder about the possibilities.
You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but what about Ether? There's an arms race going on right now in the world of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin and Ether are leading the pack. Ether's a 3-year-old digital currency, Bitcoin's closest competitor, and it's largely been flying under the radar despite growing at breakneck speed. Investors have been super bullish on Bitcoin because it's nearly tripled in value so far this year, but Ether, it's up roughly 4,000% year to date. These rivals have a lot in common. They're both open-source digital currencies used to make somewhat anonymous transactions. Ether even has digital coins just like Bitcoin. They both also saw their share of big volatile moves, the most recent when Ether virtually lost all its value in a single day in a June flash crash. It went from $319 to 10 cents on one exchange before recovering all of its losses. But here's the critical difference. While they're both powered by a type of technology called blockchain, a whole lot of people think Ether's technology is way better. So what's blockchain? think of it like the DNA of a digital currency. It's an online ledger that records every single transaction made. Since cryptocurrency has no physical imprint, blockchain allows money to be tracked all over the web so it can't be copied or counterfeited. Ether's blockchain is called Ethereum, and unlike Bitcoin's blockchain, it features a key piece of technology called the smart contract. It doesn't just track transactions, it programs them. We have a touch of this now with automated payments and deposits, but imagine being able to have your money invest, spend, and save all on its own. You'd literally be putting your money to work for you. Smart contracts let you exchange not just money, but property, stock, really anything, without having to go through a lawyer, notary, or some other service provider. It cuts out the middleman entirely. That's why investors have taken notice, and why many think Ethereum is a stronger and potentially more lucrative technology than the one that underpins Bitcoin. It's like the ultimate vending machine. You make a deposit of the cryptocurrency for the specific product you want, and all the mechanics of that transaction are automated, right down to the penalty if you don't hold up your end of the bargain. So whereas Bitcoin is all about payment technology, the Ethereum blockchain technology has other real-world applications, ranging from gambling to banking. That's why a big driver of the Ether rally is its popularity among big corporates. Just take Barclays. It's using Ethereum smart contracts as a way to trade derivatives. Either way, for all the attention that Bitcoin has been getting, it's clear it's no longer alone in the cryptocurrency conversation.
So those were the videos, ladies and gentlemen. I hope they helped you understand why it is now time to join Ethereum. Some more reasons for why I'm saying get on that bandwagon versus Bitcoin is number one, because it's cheaper. And the cat is out the bag. Institutional investors understand that the two most widely known, most trusted of all the cryptocurrencies is Ethereum and Bitcoin. And because of how they've seen how Bitcoin has had a growth spurt, they're jumping on Ethereum, which in the last 6 months, ladies and gentlemen, has had more of a growth spurt than Bitcoin. So most of the analysts are saying that if you're going to make a play, go jump on the Ethereum. And I agree with them. Just this week, 2 world countries have decided to open up and use Ethereum as a national way to get paid, meaning that they're putting in ATM networks, they're putting in networks so that you can exchange your money, their currency for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but more so Ethereum. It's time for you guys to jump in, ladies and gentlemen, take advantage of it. And you don't have to buy a full coin, which is kind of the beauty of all these cryptos. You can buy partial coins. And unfortunately on Robinhood, they only allow you to buy 3 cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and Bitcoin being 2 of them. But there's tons of other places you guys can get all the various cryptocurrencies you want, including Ethereum. For one, BlockFi, which I've got a link in the description, allows you to open an account and start funding right now. The other thing I think is going to have Ethereum surpass Bitcoin is just because of the blockchain network itself. It seems to be a little bit more robust, and this new thing, NFTs, the non-fungible assets, basically people having digital pictures that you can put up and make money on them, that type thing. It all comes from the Ethereum blockchain, my people, which is only going to add to the lure of blowing up Ethereum. So if you don't listen to any more investing advice I give you, please take this. And if you're thinking about getting into cryptocurrency, let Ethereum be the coin of your choice. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Please comment, subscribe. Go get yourself that life game. Please be sure to find me on Instagram. Link is in description. And if you have questions, comments about investing, anything you want to know, hit me up. Till that next Sexy as Hell video, I'll see you.